Hey, hey, hey! Here we are, another wedding album Wednesday, and if you saw my last one, you know this is going to be the second page, like they'll be next to each other. And I do like to keep them somewhat cohesive, so I did. Oh, sorry, this is of my daughter and my son, and I did put the one of my husband's kids on a doily here. They're pretty squared photos, so. And because the other photo was kind of into this side, I'm gonna push, is that right? Kind of a little bit. I'm gonna have this one coming off the other side though. I thought that ripped. Whoopsie, my bad. Okay, get back over there. I don't know why I call myself trying to make sure that's, what do you say, even? No such thing in this world. The glue from the paper pad. I think we'll pop this one on the top because on the other page it's down here, so. I don't have a lot of turquoise on this page. I really need to incorporate this. Oh well. It's to be okay. Alright, let's get this one down, and then I need to find another heart, which I think we probably all know is not going to be a hard thing. Oopsie! Get back up there. Okay, now, shall we bring in some words? I'm thinking I want to use these as like the sprinkling thing. And of course, I'd like to bring in this to match that other side. But then that gives me, oh no, that's 5 hearts. Okay, that's cool. What else? Oh, no, that one other one said smile. Just to kind of keep it cohesive. No, I don't think that'll work. Okay. Now, this will bring in the turquoise actually. We don't remember the days, we remember the moments together. We're kind of the thing I was going for there. Alright. Oh, I forgot. Oopsie. There we go, that'll be good. Okay. Now we had some we go. I think that's good. Okay. Now it was diagonal, so we're going to go this way with the stars. I had to think. Not my forte, guys. Why is that made into a sticker? Like, does somebody really use that on their scrapbook? No. I can answer that for myself. Okay. That's the stars are down now. I'm going to add some nouveaux. I think the thing I love most about these nouveau drops is that you can make them any size you want them to be. Also, I get a little carried away with them, so that's why I kind of backed up. Like, whoa, should I stop? Yeah, you should stop, Shannon. Okay. All right, I'm feeling satisfied, so I'm going to stop. That's something I've been trying to get better at, stopping. Don't have to keep going all the time. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.